Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic RZ-S500 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to Bluetooth or not syncing or pairing with your phone or your device, or if they keep disconnecting, if you're only getting sound out of one ear, all of these things can very often be fixed with a hard reset. You might also want to do this if you're just trying to set them up as a new set of earbuds. You just want to delete all the pairing history to set them up on a new phone or whatever. We can go ahead and do that. It's really easy to do. We just want to put our earphones in the earbuds in the case like so and make sure they have a sufficient charge on them. Then we're going to go ahead and take the right earphone out, the right earbud out, and press and hold the button, the sensor on the earbud for about 7 seconds until the light on this earbud blinks red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, indicating that it's searching for Bluetooth. We're just going to then release for a second and then come and press and hold again for about 10 seconds until the LED light on the earbud blinks blue and then the earbud turns off. Once that happens, we can go ahead and put this back in the case, come and take the left one and do the same thing. Take it out, press and hold for 7 seconds until we get blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Release, hold again for 10 seconds until we get a fast blue, turns off. Put it back in. We can go to whatever device we've had these paired with in the past, delete them off, then go ahead, take these earbuds out and set them up like a new set of earbuds.